So, hey everyone, welcome to our live. Okay, so basically today in this session we are going to. It's basically a promo session. Okay, so here basically a demo sessions you can say. Okay, in this video, basically what we are going to see about a cloud connector. Okay, this you can refer as a. Let me just repeat it. Okay, so hey everyone, once again welcome to our YouTube channel Punitesh. So this session is basically as a demo purpose. So as I have posted on YouTube that we are coming with a new course from for SAP Basis Admins. Okay, from the scratch to admin level in real world market. Basically this course will be fully market oriented. What is currently needed in market and what recruiters and companies looking for which qualities in SAP admin. Okay, so the in this course you will get about SAP support portals. What are the tools there where we use as a basis admin, senior level basis admin. Okay, and even freshers can also learn to enhance their quality of learning, and how we calculate stack file, how we proceed for the system installation via support portals. Okay, and also in this course you will get to know about maintenance planner, different types of support tools from SAP for system installation, like calculating stack file, calculating the hardware requirements, and passing to infra team these prerequisite parts, basically senior levels basis person do. So everything I'm gonna cover in this course. After that, we'll proceed for the system as for HANA DB installation, then as for HANA 2023 version installation, setting up everything on infra level, also mounting, disk oriented, this thing, everything I'll cover in this for your better clarity. And after that, we'll proceed for some fine tuning the system, post installation, what we configure, how we calculate licensing part, how we import those things, user management, Fiori setup, security part, BTP configuration, cloud configuration, everything you're gonna have there in that. Okay, so already I have shared one document over my WhatsApp group also, what we are going to cover in this. So this is basically my installation basis admin bootcamp from start to professional. Okay, for whoever going to join. So this part all we are going to cover in this. This basically will be more than 4 weeks of course. Okay, so obviously it will take your time, and also in this course you will get a live infra access also for practice. Okay, server access also I'll provide in this course for practice, and these things you can see: installation, maintenance planner, then post install licensing part, RFCs, transport management, admin part, transport, then Fiori setup, role, real time, then your BTP connectivity, ALM overview, cloud connector, everything is covered in this. Okay, so each and every part I will cover. So now this is about what my course. So whoever wants to join, I have already shared my WhatsApp number in description and also in thumbnail also, and also I have attached WhatsApp group link which you can join. And for joining a course, DM in personal. Okay, and I'll be more than happy to take you in course. Okay, so let's get started. As per our session thumbnail, this demo is about Cloud Connector. What is exactly Cloud Connector and what it does? Okay, so basically Cloud Connector. Let me take a pen and give you overview what exactly Cloud Connector does. Okay, so if it is see, for example, this is it represents our backend systems. Okay. Uh, Yes, it represents our backend system as for dev, as for QA, okay, and any other web systems or any other SAP systems. Okay, so for example, I have taken example for C. This may be S4. This is ECC. This one is CRM. This one is SRM, and etc, whatever it is. Okay, and here it is our, this is on premise, obviously on premise, these are on premise and private network, not exposed to internet. Okay, private network means it is not exposed to internet, means none of the below system can connect to entire directly internet. Okay, and now we have our BTP. Okay, BTP services. Okay, so what exactly BTP services? BTP services basically provided by SAP, as we all know. Okay, and all BTP services are in public cloud. So what it means, basically, to access any BTP systems, okay, your system should be accessible to internet. Okay, but due to security reasons, we can't expose our systems to internet if it is in private network. Okay, so we can't expose this to internet. Okay, so what we can do here, we can't expose to internet, right? So here, okay, this is in, okay, so basically this is in private network and our BTP service is in public network, right? Public network, public network, basically internet. Okay, so what we can do here, so for here SAP provided one solution, Cloud Connector. It's free of cost, SAP not charging for it. Okay, it will by default come with your other subscriptions. Okay, so Cloud Connector, what exactly it does, it connects your on-premise systems to internet. Okay, basically to BTP services. Okay, via to whichever service you want to connect. Okay, and also in many, though means it connects to internet, but on a restriction basis. It won't expose your each and every service or entire system to internet. It will expose only the things which you want to expose to specific services. Anyone or any system can't connect to your Cloud Connector, and anyone can't access. If though some system connected to Cloud Connector, that doesn't mean they can access everything to your on-premise system. Whatever system you have onboarded in Cloud Connector and whatever services you exposed in Cloud Connector, that external system service or BTP can access, only that service they can access. Okay, so at each level it is restricted, and we'll see that in our course. Obviously more deep, it's a demonstration, so just focus on over what exactly Cloud Connector. So now we are clear what is on premise, what is BTP, what is a private, and what is public network. Okay, and what exactly Cloud Connector does, right? So let's proceed now. Okay, so this is the URL, okay, for HANA on demand. Here you can get development tools, and inside this section find your Cloud Connector. Okay, just scroll down a little bit and you will get to see Cloud Connector option is there. Okay, so basically here you will get to see, wait a second, someone came, just allow me a minute, give me a second. So hey guys, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so yeah, here you can find the installation media for your Cloud Connector, and here in left panel you can see operating system column, and where you can see we can install these on any type of operating system, basically Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. Okay, so there is a difference. You can see portable and something are without a portable. What is difference between these? Okay, so basically difference is this portable. What it means, if you will download a portable file, so what it will do exactly, these file you don't need to install in your system. You can simply, what you can do, you can execute via command prompt, and you are good to start using a Cloud Connector. Okay, without installing So there won't be any service created, or there won't be any backend configuration will happen in your system till your CMD or command prompt running specific script via CMD. You are able to allow Cloud Connector. As soon as CMD open or your session close, your Cloud Connector will stop. Okay, this is for portable. And whenever you will go with a normal one installation, so that works in background. Okay, that Cloud Connector not dependent to your session base, that service executes in your background. And until your service is running, till your server is up, you will be able to execute a Cloud Connector. Okay, so basically we in infra level, in real world, we never use portable. For testing purposes, do we use portable? Okay, and or unless in real world, in real scenario, we use normal configuration installation media. Okay, so for today, as per our thumbnail, we are going with Windows Server. Okay, so I have downloaded both portable and normal installation files also. Here we can see. Okay, let's go to installation media. Here in SAP, see, here basically when you will install portable media, that will come as this zip file. Okay, portable one will come in zip folder. See, portable one always will be in zip folders. Okay, and installation media, when you will download, for example, see, I have downloaded for Windows installation media, that will come in MSI format. And for same Linux, when you will extract, the installation sh kind of files will be there to install. Okay, so for now I have installed this, and these are portable media, and this is installation media. For example, let's see if I want to open my portable media. Okay, how we can execute. So already I have extracted portable media. Okay, this is JVM file basically. Obviously, for to running Cloud Connector, there should be a Java virtual environment available in your system, JDK, because Cloud Control works on JDK, Java backend. So obviously that things also you can get it from here only. If it is Windows based, download this one. If it Linux based on the configuration, you can download. Okay. So from here I have downloaded this and configured that. Let's skip this. This is not part of this. Okay, and focus on this. So we have downloaded, and let me see first show you how we can start portable one. Just unzip the folder. Okay, this is my portable downloaded. I have just extracted and this folder created. Go inside this. Here you will get one script go. Okay, so type your CMD, or you can go to a specific location the way you want. And here you just need run go dot bad. Okay, just run this. Okay, it is started. Okay, now our Cloud Connector is completely started. Here what you can do, here you can just go in localhost. Okay, and this is the port, default port for executing Cloud Connector. Okay, and execute this. Okay, so default port for our Cloud Connector 8443. Just let's wait, it's running. Wait for a minute. HTTPS 8443. Okay, so maybe due to some cache it wasn't opening there. Okay, so here we can open it, and default user ID password are administrator. Okay, and password will be manager. Okay, okay, so see, we are able to log in it here. Okay, the obviously I have executed this before and connection already done here, so it is showing this. Now what I will do, I will just close this so it can free up the 8443 standard port. And now we'll proceed with the standard installation. So in same video you will get to know about the both portable and standard installation files. Okay, so whenever you execute the portable one, nothing installation needs there. You can directly execute a script and you can access via browser. But what if you want to install it? Okay, just execute installation media. This is the media which I have downloaded from the development tool from SAP site. Okay, double click, execute the way you execute any other installation. Click on next. Here you can specify which location you want. Default it selects the parent directory where you have kept the file. and then it proceeds with the version of your cloud connector. Okay, if you want, you can change accordingly. Next, on which port you want your cloud connector to run. I want it on 8443 only. Okay, if you want, you can change it also. Next, here the JDK directory. By default, it collected where we have kept our in the GVM from SAP support portal, because already I have set the path environment variable for this. Okay. Next, start Cloud Connector after finishing the setup by default. Okay, now the installation is ready to install Cloud Connector. Click next. Okay, yeah, click on next. So now it's installing. Now pop-up came, do you want to allow to trust this device? Yes, just click yes, and now it will install. Okay, see our folder standard Cloud Connector created, installation complete, close. And now our installation should have completed. How we can check? We are not running anything via script here, via this. So let's see. And default what I have installed, I have set a different password for that. Okay, so let's check whether it is installed or not. So https colon localhost and port number. Okay, hit enter. Okay, advanced, select advanced, proceed. Okay. Okay, see, this information installation has neither master nor shadow. Means this is a fresh installation. Okay, and let me just enter default password administrator and below manager. Enter. Okay, yeah, credential is wrong. Administrator and manager in small. Okay, manage. Yeah, manager, not manager, and everything is in small. So this will be your first initial screen. Okay, for Cloud Connector whenever you set up that. So here you need to add your password. Default is manage, and here you can set whatever you want. So let me take default password what I keep everywhere for trial systems. Okay, and save. Okay, and choose installation type. What type of system it is it master or shadow? So obviously for production we keep shadow system. So in that case you need to select shadow, and you need to give reference to your primary master system. Then it will run as a backup or DR cloud, you can say DR cloud connector. So now it is master system, so let me give as a master prod one and save. Now it will run as a master system. Just save it. Okay, now we are in our uh, cloud connector, and obviously the previous one and the portable one which I have shown, there already we have configured the cloud connector and all the where we were able to see those things, right? But this is a fresh installer, so here nothing is there. Okay, and let me show you its service also. Go in task manager. As we have installed this service will be created. Go in cloud connector, and here you can search for service cloud connector. Let me see where its service is running. Okay. Uh-huh. So SAP Cloud Connector. Just scroll down and running category only. My system. Okay, function Windows, Human, Microsoft, Intel Server Workstation, TCP Local Session Manager, MXE Data Network. Wait a second, where that workstation? I guess. Okay, not an issue. Yeah, here, see, SAP Cloud Connector service are running. Okay, so from here you can directly manage it. Okay, start, stop, open service. You can go there, and you can configure the services here directly. Okay, so from here we can see it is installed in our service, and we can manage those services and there. Okay, and uh, just allow me a minute. Allow me. Someone came at door. एक्चुअली कोई आया था अभी तो मैंने तो बोला हाँ तो अभी एक्चुअली मैं बिजी हूँ मेरे कॉल सर्वर में डायरेक्ट इससे नहीं किसी को जाने दूंगा मेरे कॉल सर्वर में कंट्रोल करना ना ना पहले भी 3-4 बार पूछ गया रूम ओनर का ये है रूम ओनर मुझे पहले बताना चाहिए ना ना मैं नहीं आने दूंगा मेरे पहले रूम ओनर का मुझे कॉल आने चाहिए कि कोई आने वाला है मैं भेजू के लिए से डायरेक्ट मैं नहीं कराऊंगा आप बात करो उनसे मैं नहीं देने वाला प्लीज उन्हें कांटेक्ट कीजिए देखो आप ना एक्सेस नहीं दोगे तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी जो भी होगा बोलो आप ओनर से पहले बात करो ओनर का ओनर आके गए हाँ आए थे वो आए थे लास्ट टाइम भी 2-3 बार आए लोग अभी हमारे इसमें से कर रहे हैं तो आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है आप ओनर को भी फोन क्यों नहीं देखो आप ना ओनर से बात कर दो आप नंबर दो ना मेरे को मैंने लास्ट टाइम दिया था आपके सिस्टर को आप जाके बात करो इधर से बात करो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं मेरा कॉल चल रहा है मैं बार-बार से डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता आप ओनर से बात करो hey guys, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, so here, okay, okay. So here our cloud connector is there and our service installation also done properly. Now once it is done, how you can configure your cloud connector with your sub account. Okay, so it is this is our let me refresh which screen it is. Yeah, this is our BTP account. Okay, so in cloud connector you can't access these things, add some on premise and all, nothing you can function in cloud connector until any one sub account is added there. Okay, so obviously in single account connector you can add multiple sub accounts to. Okay, so to add those, basically you need to go in your global account. Okay, and here whichever sub account you want to add, for example let me use the trial one. If I want to add the trial, here you can come in cloud connector part, you can see nothing is there, no cloud connector is there added. Okay, no cloud connectors. Okay, so if you want to add any cloud connector, any sub account to your cloud connector, what you can do, just go in over your tab in your sub account, take sub account ID. Okay, table sub account ID, and in your cloud connector click on add sub account. Here if you have any proxy setup you can do that, if not just proceed next. This the previous information will network team will provide. As a basis admin you don't need to worry about those things. And here select configure manually. Okay, this option basically if you want to configure automatically, simply what you can do, go in cloud connector, download authentication data and select configure automatically and upload that file, that will be automatically configured, but I want to show you manually. So configure manually, proceed here. Okay, so in manually what you can do, what you have to, how you have to configure, here you can see region, our region is AWS US East. Okay, so search for the same one here, filter it out with AWS and search your basically location. So US East VA1. Okay, we can see the same US is VA1. And next sub account, here you need to give sub account ID. From here sub account ID, and below that display name, what you want to display. I want to display my master account. Okay, master cloud connector. Email ID, basically email ID which who is the admin of this sub account. Okay, that you need to give here. So this is my one. Okay, and password, location ID, location ID, basically whatever you will give here. So after adding, whenever you will check in cloud connector with the same name, that cloud connector will be displayed to you. Okay, so whatever you will give in here, this location ID. Okay, now auto renewal, what it does, basically auto renewal option we enable it. So whenever new certificates change by SAP on BTP part, so it will auto fetch those certificates so that you don't need to do manually. Okay, now just click finish, and if everything is okay, you will see it is added here. If not, it will show you accordingly what happened. Okay, when changing. Okay, okay, so here we can see our cloud connectors are added, and if you want to check, directly click on this account. Okay, if you have multiple sub account, it will from here you can select any other, you can select, go in that. So for now just our master CC, which we have configured, we can see. And this is disconnect. If it is showing you disconnects, means it is connected. Also here you can see region of your sub account, your sub account host, validity, sub account certificate is valid and auto renewal on of for certificate, and status is connected. Okay, and these are the things. And below the how you can here are connection enabled. Now to cross check whether it is enabled or not, so just go on your sub account and you can see your cloud connector is added, say location ID master CC, which we have added in our sub account. Okay, display name. So our cloud connector added in our BTP account, and you can see here the details which you have provided there. Also you can see your cloud version, your JVM version, what you have installed on the system, everything you can see. And if you have exposed any backend system, those things also see. So this is about today course. Okay, today demo session. Okay, and I have some work, that's why I'm ending the session soon. So this is how you can keep your cloud connector, your different types of cloud connector, portable one or the installation one in your system, and how you can connect this thing. For more learning, this is just a demo session. Many things are there in cloud connector and BTP. Already few demo sessions also I have posted for BTP part. Okay, for basis administration, BTP administration, cloud ALM training, SAP Fiori, BTP, anything, just reach out to me over my WhatsApp. Also my number is shared on the thumbnail in description, so feel free to reach out for more courses. And stay connected guys. Thanks for visiting our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share. That's all. Have a nice day guys. Bye bye. Oh, someone is there. Just now our session finished. So let me know guys if you have any doubt. I can answer now. Okay, just now our session finished. Cloud connector and BTP connection part is, it's a demo session basically. Okay, demo session for our this course which I'm starting soon. Okay, and in this session basically you will get a real server access on which you can get hands-on for S/4HANA installation, installation of cloud character, installation of HANA DB, upgrade. So these things basically configuration part, implementation part, basically what we do in real implementation from basis side. All those things you will get live sessions and server access also for your practice. So if you are fresher, if you are a learner, if you are working professionally in market from last 7-8 years, then also it's beneficial for you. As in this course I'm not covering standard older parts, I'm covering real new technologies on which basis persons now working from BTP perspective, cloud connector perspective, and integration perspective. Everything will be covered in this. So stay connected guys and join our sessions. Okay, and thanks for joining our course and joining our live. Stay, and that's it. Do subscribe and support us. Bye bye guys.